Why do 70% of outdoor enthusiasts have a hard time starting a fire? Because they don't know these tips. First, you need three things: tinder, kindling, and fuel wood. Tinder is your super small stuff. Think dry leaves, grass, or tiny twigs. Next, kindling, slightly bigger sticks, about the size of your finger. Finally, fuel wood. These are your big logs that keep the fire going. Step 1, make a tinder nest. It's like a little bird's nest, but for fire. Step 2, build a teepee with your kindling around the nest. Now light your tinder with a match or lighter. As it catches, add kindling slowly. When you see a strong flame, start adding your fuel wood. And voila! You've got fire. Remember, practice makes perfect, and always put your fire out completely before you leave. Happy camping!